today we're talking about the unit converter that I recently built. Run the program here. Presented a set of instructions on how you can use it. Right? The program is way for commercial studios following units, Celsius to Fahrenheit, kilograms to pounds, kilometers to miles, millimeters to liters, and meters to centimeters per pound. Bypass out, of course. So to use all your areas, just select the particular number of conversion that you like to make. So let's say Fahrenheit to Celsius, which is 2. So they ask you for the Fahrenheit values. Let's say right, and provide you the Celsius value. Do again. Okay, let's say let's go back to the menu. Just click on the menu and pick another conversion. Let's say meters to millimeters. 765 meters. It's about 25,000 millimeters. As you can see, there's usually a common provision for values that are higher than 3,000. Right. Let's try another conversion. Let's say meters per centimeter square. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah. Let's try another one. That's the kilograms. Pounds, about 220 kg. Let's see if this one makes condition for the common, for more than the value is higher than 1,000. Yeah, it does. So I can click on menu again and I'm back. So here are the basic unit converter buildings. So we close it here to close, or just type close and program ends.